Welcome back to the Redcat University Gen 8 fans. We have our project truck on the workbench and it's still disassembled from last week's video where we replaced the transmission case. What we're doing in this video is replacing the transfer case with the optional aluminum housing. Now this is a simple drop-in case without any modifications, and we will link to a couple videos at the top so you can see how to remove components to get to the transfer case. Alright, let's remove this one and swap it out with the new aluminum housing. With our battery tray out of the way, we can remove the screw pins that secure the drive shafts to the transmission case output shafts. Once you remove the two screw pins, slide the drive shafts out of the way, and then take a 2mm hex driver and remove the 4 screws that secure the transfer case to the lower skid plate. With the screws removed, we can now take the transfer case out and remove the last screw pin from the center drive shaft. Remove the 4 screws that hold the transfer case halves together, and then separate the halves. And now you can remove all the components from the transfer case, the gears and the bearings. Clean any of the parts if necessary, and then reinstall your bearings and gears in the new transfer case. And of course, add more grease if necessary. Slide the top of the transfer case on, and use the 4 screws supplied with the transfer case set to secure the 2 halves. Adding Loctite to these screws is a great idea. We've reinstalled our short drive shaft, and now we'll secure the transfer case to the lower skid plate with the stock 4 screws. Our transfer case is back in, and now we'll continue to reassemble our truck in the reverse order in which we took it apart from the last video. And of course, if you need any help with those steps, please reference that video in the card above. Our new transfer case housing is in place and our transmission is back in our project truck. The parts used in today's video will be listed in the description below. While you're there, please hit that subscribe button, and of course, check out our playlist on all the option parts that you could get for the Gen 8. We'll see you back here next week for another Redcat Racing how-to video.